agenda items.
Is it public comment on non-agenda items? Thank you.
Good evening, Devin Taylor, general comment and inquiry. I'm going to start out with saying you'll never cease to amaze me, Mr. Bobby, the lengths at which you'll go to hide your identities and call me by name in regards to the lawsuit of you four, not even this agency as a whole. I am here tonight as a resident and citizen journalist seeking to engage in the public comment period. While extensive debate may not always be necessary, I believe it is crucial for the continuation of our business that all individuals be granted the opportunity to respond in accordance with Robert's Rules of Order, Title 65 PA Consolidated Statute. Therefore, I move that this council not proceed to the next order of business until the present items have been, excuse me. I'm so moved that the council not proceed to the next order of business until all present have had an opportunity to comment, respond, or debate, engage in debate on this matter. It is both appropriate and just to allow residents and fellow public servants the chance to respond following my remarks. I would also like to remind the chair and administrator of their obligation to report back to their community and the council on these inquiries in a timely fashion, and to ensure these matters are accurately recorded in the minutes, including an intended response date from the borough. Should I not receive these responses within 30 days, I will be compelled to initiate legal action against this agency. I will provide a copy of this statement to council upon conclusion to prevent any confusion or misunderstanding. Given historical precedents, it is clear that not all members pay adequate attention to public comment or have selective memory, highlighting the need for meticulous and accurate minutes. During my review of public records, I discovered that 4 council members, Andrew Bobby, Ryan Ross, Dennis Sarpin, and David Reisdorf, are listed as defendants in a civil rights lawsuit in the Middle District of Pennsylvania in Harrisburg under case number 124CV01938SES. This marks the second such lawsuit against members of this body within 4 years, raising the question, how many more allegations or violations will it take before legitimate changes are made? These defendants have retained Andrew Rongaus from Siena Law, a firm which notably represented council members in Rifton v. New Freedom, another civil rights case where members of this council were accused of deceiving the public and circumventing their rights. Here I seek clarity. How did you four come to be represented by Andrew Rongaus and Siena Law? And was there any intention to disclose this lawsuit to the public and remain in council? Or was there an expectation that these issues would be concealed by administrative manipulation? The public and council have right to timely information regarding these matters, including how the legal fees are being funded, whether from borough funds, insurance plans, or personal resources. Furthermore, I address an incident involving the Southern Regional Police Department and Veteran Crisis Management, who on Friday, January 10th, 2025, attempted to execute a welfare check on your resident based on false premises. I sit before you as proof of life, affirming that Devin Taylor has not harmed himself and is very much alive. In conclusion, I urge this council to consider appointing a new chair who is not currently a defendant in federal court proceedings, and it would be prudent to not appoint any such person to this position until they are cleared of any wrongdoing or violations. To close, I'll leave you all with a Bible verse that I sometimes think about. So then I heard the voice of the Lord saying, "Whom shall I send? And who will go for us?" And I said, "Here am I. Send me." Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Updated anyway, the administrator. Right?
Anyone else? I would entertain a motion.
Oh, could I say one thing? I would like to thank all of our our EMTs and the ambulance people and the fire company and the police, because when my wife passed away, I mean, I'm telling you, I couldn't ask for anything any better. They were there, and I mean, quick. And they did everything they could, but it was just not gonna happen. But I wanted to let them know how I, I'm glad that I've always supported them, because never thought I was gonna have to need their services this soon.
Appreciate that, Bruno. I hope you're doing great.
I'm hanging in there.
I've told you before, call me if you need anything.
Just getting to be an old man, you know what I mean?
I would entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved. Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? The vote is aye.